Alright, and zero rank, so I got some X, shooting points to the ring, here's a good sync, and it's kind of like X to the ring, and so on, and all pinks go ring, and got 6 strings. So this is like the king ranks, because they're also that thing advanced. Like hat has like a rank that clocks like so. So I can't see how ranks has. Like this get going. Right, there it is. I got cannons. So I think this is going. I think this is going. I don't know. Truth. And down. So I think. I don't probably won't get this wrong, but I don't think the ranks is to get the iron like again, and this goes like but then I'm still gonna get the but until I get the two ranks and cocktails and those gangs, but those aren't the gangster gangs, so that's kind of cool. If you want, I think this is like well, I'm sorry, I don't salt your rings. So this open box right, and it's got the ending. I think it's got like 2 round. So content. Alright, so got some right. Okay, so I can get stickers on again. So you can get the text and stickers of right. And so what you do right. Let's see, got a I'm trying to forget the cats. You can also use that this. Because it's so ugly. So it doesn't stick the tanks. I guess I don't know. So let's go to scan. This is the concurrence, and doesn't have it. So this is regular links. It got like this is like it has like the thing like. Yeah, I think I turn the zincs around and to don't get a don't get things done and it takes a because some wasn't looking only the things. So, guys, let's go around. Do that. The things, do get the cranks, so the tanks, so like, the cranks, so I can use things like the can and the cranks, so things like, I think so. Do get right. That takes around. Do get full tanks. All the lights. All right, the cranks. The adding and the rate. Got two cranks. Thanks, right. I do got a concurrence. So this is like another thing for lights. I'm talking about the mechanics that you can also use it on. I think it takes a better than hungry. Although I'm not like I don't. Okay, click to the doing. It is okay, seems like I think it takes turn, so I still looks around. Well, this is like, and I can't like to drive this around. I do got like I got the so I got like this something. I think from like good night, I say it's like I say if you look at the line, I think probably not the fact that it's the like front of the accent, I didn't like have the accent clean, so I was like rain. Like it could be like that. I could have lost it. I couldn't. We can get the rain, but I can start the accent or time I. So we could get the things get the but you can get this rain if we don't want to get the ants against the ant. Again, the swamp, again, that's, I think that's kind of what I did. The tanks, people, but then I can start buildings as a tanks. You know what I'm saying? I can just get this, I guess. But this is thinking like got I've been to banks. So I think I've been all this over, but I have a few links like I feel like I have to do the tanks and it's strings. And the tanks that I do train, and everything right, so then it's this gathering, so everything saying, and then it's rank, and for like, considering getting things right, I'm living right, get something else, and it's right there, let's talk about maybe it's something else like the firing, or the truckering. Things for fifty, you can kind of say. This is like kind of like strange, like you can get it. Like, you know what I'm saying? and you can see I got wasn't content. I got two subtypes coming, and I got like bearing side coming. It seems like cool. I got like some content coming, so I can put for wrong. I kicked it down that was wrong, and to this, so bye bye for wrong, and alright.